the horn.
Uh-oh.
Oh, where's the party?
On YouTube.
On YouTube.
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, come and buy one of these bikes. I tell you.
I gotta wait my face.
Yeah, I gotta check them out, Ken.
I don't know.
That's
Ask this guy where he's from.
these are pretty good, good bikes.
Some cake and that there too.
Oh, I'm good, Ken.
For sure.
A little longer than I would have.
Well, yeah, some people don't figure that out.
I figured it out early.
I know
40 years ago. You got a sister too.
I'm learning. Without forgetting what it was.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You gotta get some of them forget-me-not pills. Yeah, so, yeah. Yeah, she takes care of Randy. I got 4 kids, 3 boys and a girl. One of our kids was killed in a car accident in St. George.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, he
Oh,
was
that's
coming
sad.
home and a truck decided to just
Oh.
make a turn. Boom.
Oh, man.
Bev planes.
Oh, yeah.
And the other one was for a girl up in Prince George who had cancer, and she would make the oil tincture stuff and that, and give it to her, and it helped her. It shrunk her cancer down, and it surrounded it.
Really?
And she.
Indians and the Chinese,
Oh,
they
yeah.
knew their stuff
Oh, of course they
from
did.
going out and foraging and
Yeah, the
getting.
Chinese had Afghani weed.
Yeah.
The Indians, they had kinnikinnick. No, yeah. No, well, you're right. A lot of them old cures and remedies are
Yeah.
gone. Like,
Yeah.
You know, they don't want to fix you.
Interaction.
Like how many years? How many years has KENCO been here?
40,
Kind of look like a triumph.
43? 44 years in September, actually.
Wow. And it's
September
your
17th, it'll be 44.
and it's your company? Yeah. And you're a Ken?
Yeah.
And that's why the name's KENCO.
Yeah, I went to get a business license and I didn't know what to call it. And she says, "What are you going to do?" Motorcycle shop.
Well, and they look like a cross between
She
a
says, "What's her name?"
triumph and a...
Well, it's catchy. It's like Kodak, right? KENCO,
Company.
Kodak.
KENCO motorcycles.
Yeah, that sounds good.
That was it.
Well, it must have worked because you've been here for what, 40-something years?
43 years, almost. Yeah, starting 44 pretty quick.
And what changes have you seen in the industry?
Quite a bit, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's seen lots of distributors come and go, and different shops come and go. Yeah.
Yeah, there's not too many independent shops. They're corporatizing now.
It seems more and more like that. Yeah. Yeah, they want more shops everywhere, and
Yeah.
then the economy goes bad, and half them close their doors, and it all starts again, cycle after cycle. Right? Yeah.
What's your hardest seller in bikes?
It's pretty evenly mixed. You know, it depends. Spring and fall, like the Sherco dirt bikes do well, and then more summertime, the Enfields pick up kind of
Yeah.
thing. So yeah.
So Enfields are popular?
Yeah, I mean, we started doing them in 2011, and then there was a bit of a distribution change. But yeah, they've been slow and steady, increasing a little bit every year. So, yeah.
Was a Triumph, I think it was a Bonneville, it was a white one. Rick,
Oh! And it's funny, with the reverse barrel.
and it was white, and it was like a chopper. It was just a nice looking bike.
Yeah, I remember that bike.
And you
it
said,
didn't
oh,
look
that could
right.
be yours for $3,000. Why I didn't get that
And
thing.
you know, I didn't see that bike for the longest time, and then someone came in and they had a picture. They ended up with it. I don't know who
Yeah.
that was now.
That was a nice looking bike.
Yeah,
That was real cool.
yeah.
For back then, it was something that, wow, that's cool.
It was. It was
Can
really,
compare-
really well done.
Yeah, compare it to stuff nowadays, I think that bike could go, that's a nice bike. So,
Oh, absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah, that pearl white finish. It was
Oh, yeah.
pretty
Yeah.
freaking awesome.
I think it was only a 500
You should have
Bonneville.
got it. No, it was a 650.
Was it a 650?
Yeah, 650. I think it's 750 kit, and I want to say it had reverse cylinder on it too.
Reverse cylinder.
Yeah, they spun the head around. You do that on some of those.
Oh, yeah?
And in first gear, it went backwards.
Wow.
No, no.
No, you'd sit on it backwards and drive with mirrors.
Yeah.